I would humbly suggest to download this MP3 file and save this in your smartphone instead of your alarm. Set up this alarm 20 minutes before you want to wake up. The first 20 minutes leading up to the time you wake up is essential and should be invested wisely. The process of slowly waking up conditions our mind and body to follow a healthy, intentional structure for waking state. This structure will support us into being fully present and at peace. The art of waking up includes two MP3 files. The first one includes a 5-minute music alarm combining affirmations with the ancient Sanskrit mantras, along with the sounds of temple bells, singing bowls, gently ushering you to wake up. The alarm concludes with the loud and unmistakable sound of healing didgeridoo. After you gain consciousness, you would play another 15-minute guided meditation to wake up fully. In this meditation, we are also going to use yogic secrets of breath, sounds, and mantras to bring us seamlessly from restful sleep to fully awakened states of clarity and wakefulness. Together, let's cultivate staying awake rather than drifting into mechanical, robotic, compulsive, reactionary life. Let's create the life by design. Namaste and peace.